Hilti On Track, the simplest way to manage your tools and equipment wherever you are. This is Mark. He works as a crib manager for a construction company. And this is his boss, Paul. Paul is very satisfied with his company since his order books are full. But that means Mark's job isn't easy, as he somehow needs to keep track of all these tools and equipment. Sometimes tools and equipment are moved directly from one job site to another without Mark's knowledge. Other times, pieces of equipment break or even disappear, which could even stop construction for a while. Stopping construction eats up time and money, but Hilti has the answer. Hilti On Track, the solution for efficiently managing tools and equipment. Sounds interesting, but how does it work exactly? With Hilti On Track, all the equipment is labelled with sturdy tags. These are scanned using any hand barcode reader or the On Track app on any smartphone. It all goes into a database that tracks information on each piece of equipment, including its product specs, assigned location, people responsible, and scheduled dates for inspection and servicing. So the information is easy to input and quick to retrieve. Since the database is stored safely in the cloud, it's always up to date and available at any location. Hilti On Track is a web-based solution, so there's no need to install anything on your computer. And the Hilti service team makes implementation a breeze by offering support and training for your employees. Ultimately, On Track will save Mark and Paul a lot of money and improve customer satisfaction. For more information about Hilti On Track, simply contact your Hilti account manager.